Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, zooming out a little bit. And it's 16 by 20 inch pre-primed dry black canvas. And this time I'm going to start, this is a series that I did today. This is like the fourth one. And I am only trying to get background color on. But I have such a good time doing it that sometimes it makes it really difficult to move away from the fun creative stuff that's going on as I start. I don't mind the canvas showing through on the gold. I think there's going to be other colors when I fill my dustpan full of color. I want to use the black enamel from Folk Art, which is right there. No, it's here somewhere. I got it. And it's actually coming out too. So I'm just going to put that in those voids wherever I see one. And then I'm not going to mind if I have a little something on my spatula. This is an OXO omelet turning spatula, best paint spreading spatula around, and can be a lot of fun to just be creative while you're spreading some paint for a background and make something really neat. It's happened to me a few times in a row now, and it doesn't matter what happens right now because whatever it is, it's still going to be the background for whatever I do with that dustpan. But as you can see, there's some fun to be had and some cells are popping, so I don't know what that is, but it can come out of here. And I actually really thought that I might take my tri-tip bottle and dribble all over that, but I'm not sure how I feel about that at this exact second. I don't want to waste any of this paint though, I gotta say. Neither the gold nor the black enamel are less than dear. So let's just do that. Matter of fact, I've got a black one too. Do I? It's somewhere here. There it is. I don't think the black one comes out very well. Alright, so I'm going to make sure I can spin my turntable. And I'm going to start like that. I might even tip this. I gotta get a white, I gotta get one of these full of white. So there are some ideas. If you're looking for 5-minute art, let me help you. You know what, even before I do the dustpan pour that I haven't filled up and might change my mind about any second, I could grab one of these basting brushes. And I've got one that I'm going to strip down because I really like the single rows, but there's only 4 in there. There's more in here. I could still put a dustpan in there. I like the tri-tip bottles so much that I put them on my Amazon link, which is the first blue link under Show More underneath the video. I really want some white pearl in this. But I really like the effect I'm getting. Maybe I'm fast enough so I can do the movie I've been promising all afternoon in the next one. I'm going to put some white pearl in there. I can't help it. Alright, but where to do it? How about just wherever? Just pick a few different directions. If I like it, I'll use more. I kind of think I like it. Just use your instincts. Even if you don't have any instincts, you've got to develop them some point in time. Now if I put 2 lines next to each other, you know what? That's what I'm going to do. It'll be similar, maybe 3, similar to what else is going on. It's wild, but it's cool. So, is there any more to be had? You know what? I've got some other cool stuff here. Alright, so I'm going to give it a try. That's a bronze color, and I really wanted to see what that was going to do in here. If it was going to add anything to it. And I'm not sure that's going to make me really happy, so I'm not going to bother doing too much of that. Maybe I'll do just enough. Make some small adjustments with my skewer. Maybe it's okay. Maybe I should put the basting brush down that's in my hand so I have room to play. Now I could also put chain in here, but I don't think it's time for that yet. So this is a Sargent's bronze, which for me is way more coppery than bronze, but that doesn't matter. Basting brushes and skewers will do very similar things. I guess I made an assumption that I wasn't going to like that, and I actually do. But I think I am going to stick with basting brush. No, that's a skewer. Wow. Okay, that was a severe brain cramp. Forgive me. So long as it's got a wet background. This is sort of bugging me over here a little bit. I think a little more gold will resolve that issue. Do I want to put any black in there? Do I just want to put my finger in there and spread that gold around a little bit? I kind of want to put chain in there now, but that's extreme. So what else have I got for... Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to go ahead and try. That's a lot of texture. Because you have to repeatedly use those 4 bristles, or filaments rather. Maybe just a few of those waggle marks would be okay. I need silver. I get it. I wonder if I have any here. No, just pearl, no silver. I wonder what I did with that. I could probably have another color in here, but I'm not sure what it would be. So I am just playing with the basting brush. I'm having an excellent time doing so. Little spiral never hurt anyone. Couple even. It's pretty busy. I could still dump my dustpan on there, but maybe I'll use that for background for something tomorrow. Or maybe I'll put some black on there and be happy. Or not. Kind of makes me want to swipe. Okay, I went too far. Well, in for penny, in for pound. If I went too far, I'll just keep going and see what happens with the too farness of the situation. Why not? Nothing to stop me. I do it because I can. I so want some of this orange. That might be crazy. I wonder what would happen when I tip. I wonder what other colors I should put in there. Okay, I'm going to use the basting brush with all of the potential for making horrendous mud. And go ahead and take a chance. It's going to be golden mud no matter what. I should probably let it drain, but I'm liking what I've got more and more. I just want a little bit more of that over here. That went between my toes. Oh gosh. I'm surprised at how far you can really take the basting brush stuff and get away with it. Well, that's a relative statement, I guess. We'll see if that rings true in a minute. So what do I want to do with that? Do I want to leave it like it is and use it for something else tomorrow? Or will I like it tomorrow? I could swipe. I'm throwing that in the bucket so I don't keep doing anything with it. You know, I'm really inclined to do something really weird, which is to find my shovel. Nope, I'm going to find my dustpan. How much? I got 4 minutes left. So I'm just going to take colors I like, starting with the black enamel, my favorite folk art color shift, some white enamel, some folk art turquoise, the folk art color shifting blue that I fixed with unicorn spit, some bright orange. Oh, found the thing trying to come out. I can't use the pink. I don't think the pink's going to work. I can put some pink enamel in there. I want all that forward. I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to put some more color in so I can finish that. And then I'm going to tip it down again. Just going to put all the same colors right in there again in a very random, abstract way. And hope for the best. And I am going to tip this. Well, I had fun playing with you guys. Thank you for joining me. I think I've got to tip that. I really want that paint to come to the front of that. But I think unless I use Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, it's probably not going to happen. Just looking for, yes, I like the drips. I like the drips a lot, actually. I wonder what's going to happen when I tilt. If I was completely in love with it, I wouldn't do it now. Oh, that's right. I can wreck this if I want by using my basting brush. Maybe I'll tilt first and see what happens. Maybe I should check and see if there are any colors I really want in there. That's different. I'm just having too much fun, I gotta say. This has been a really good day for spontaneous art. That's going in the bucket. Both of them. Hopefully I don't need anything else. I'm going to move a few of these things away. I think I'm going to grab an edge catcher. and we'll see what happens. I'll just follow my instincts, and I'm going to start telling you now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, where I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the studio. And if you're interested in either one of those things, please feel free to use the email address below the video, which is Expressionist Art, excuse me, that's the other one, which is EASPB Gallery. I want some white Anitas right there. And I want that wind to not be crazy. I kind of like what I've got. It's pretty bizarre looking, but I like it. I want some of it to go over the edge. Every once in a while I grab a painting and I have the corner of it right in my thumb and it hurts. You know, I'm kind of really liking so many of those things right now. This is a different piece. It's very bizarre. I'm going to lift it over here and bring the edge catcher back. And then if I find, I got 2 minutes to tell you guys what I want to tell you, which is I love you. And if you want to help me out, watch the videos longer. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you appreciate what I do, and maybe more people would also. So I'm going to grab my last clean OXO omelet turning spatula and take the paint off my edge catcher and share that process with you right here, right now. A little up there, a little down there. Not to worry about anything at all. Facebook groups. I have some. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for people who might want to see what I've been posting on Fine Art America since 2013. Or pixels.com. They're one and the same thing pretty much. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for people who might want to see the so far so good edited versions of what I have created on YouTube. They're not all there. If you have an interest in making a purchase, you can ask me and I will spend the hour to edit the dry version and send it to you. What else do I want? This is pretty bizarre and I kind of like it a lot. But I've liked this series so far and I keep looking for something, which is this thing, which is the blue. And I'm afraid it'll fade away. But if it doesn't, it'll be fabulous. So I'm going to torch and release the bubbles in the paint. You can find my paint pouring recipe under most of the videos. I could have put Shane in here, but I think we already have so many wonderful textures going on, it would be crazy to do that. What else? I got a crib sheet. Teespring clothing under the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and more stuff than that. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are underneath the video. I want some black right there. I love you guys. I think I said that more than once now. And you'll be gone in a second, so check your notifications are turned on. Look at the end screens for the monthly drawing. If you're a $10 contributor, you'll be entered to win 3 of 15 paintings that you can find on the exhibition video on that end screen on every video. And this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, please share my videos whenever you get an opportunity. You might help me stay at YouTube. And my playlists have 1,200 videos on them. You can find them on created playlists by genre and by numbers. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I am sure that you're gone.